Hi, my name is Steve Mullowney. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Tanzanian Gold.
And I'm Andrew Cheatle, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer, and we're both directors of the company as well.
Well, given our name is Tanzanian Gold Corporation, our asset is located in Tanzania and East Africa, and we are currently in the Geita region, which is home to Barrick's Bulyanhulu Complex and AngloGold Ashanti's Geita Complex. We are in the same region as they are with our 2.5 million ounce deposit.
Yeah, so Stephen, I mean, the Buckreef deposit, which you're referring to, started production just a week ago. So I flew into the country on Sunday after seeing that our new mine is up and running at 360 tons a day, about 1,000 ounces a month. And we'll be expanding that through to 1,000 tons a day, or about 2,000 ounces a month by Q3 next year.
And exactly, Andrew, and we're going to utilize the cash flow from our high return smaller operations to reinvest it into value producing activities such as our really good exploration potential that we have both in our main zone and field at Buckreef West, as well as advancing our sulfide project, which is 90% of the resources in the main zone.
Yeah, thanks, Stephen. That's brilliant. And you know, the Danfield zone has been a major discovery. We've identified an additional 3 kilometers of strike zone, and we've got some grab samples from fresh rock from some deep artisanal mines running at 27 grams a ton from that.
Yeah, and you know, you mentioned the word 3 million. We do hope to find 3 million ounces there, but we don't know yet.
But we've got 2.6 in all categories at the moment. Yeah.
So the milestones which we have upcoming, we're currently into production on our 360 ton per day plant. We're upgrading that plant to 1,000 tons per day, capable of producing 15 to 20,000 ounces for 5+ years. That will be in Q2, Q3 this year. And another milestone that we have is to pull together our sulfide project development timeline and how we're going to go about that. We're hopeful to really advance a project much larger than our PFS into a category of 150, 200,000 ounces of production per year, given that we've doubled the resources since that PFS. And we'll have that plan out in the market in the next 12 to 18 months.
Yes, Stephen, I like to characterize this as the current oxide plan is our appetizer. It's only 5% of the deposit. The main course will be the sulfides, and this will ultimately be a 10+ year life of mine.
So our team is at corporate. I joined December of last year. Since then, we've turned over the management team. Andrew joined us as Chief Operating Officer in February. Mike Leonard joined us from Barrick as Chief Financial Officer. We hired a SVP Tanzania, Khalaf Rashid. We've also turned over our Buckreef management team, bringing in 2 co-general managers that have mine experience throughout Africa, and their families reside in Tanzania, and our Tanzanian subsidiary is 100% Tanzanian currently.
Yeah, I think that's a really important point, Stephen, because the mine that we're talking about has been built by the local team, which, as you say, is 100% Tanzanian. I've got to tell you that the pride on the team is very, very high. Everyone's very happy with what's being achieved and where we're going.
And go to our website, you'll see a couple of videos of our mill in operation, and it's world-class work that our team has done on the ground. The key message I'd like to tell investors is there's a lot going on. It's a very exciting time to be part of this particular company. We have a good solid resource base that's fully permitted. We are expanding our production profile. We're expanding our resource profile. And we have a lot of work to do, but it's all exciting and going in the right direction.
Yeah, and Stephen, this is all happening in Tanzania, which as a jurisdiction is very, very attractive, and we're finding it a wonderful place to work.
Yeah, a lot of things going on. Go to our website, a lot of pictures, a lot of action, and we're becoming from a slow-paced company to an extremely high-paced company. One-to-one mining investment so far today. There's a lot of people here, a lot of investors, a lot of companies. The atmosphere is good, and it's great to be in person.
I got to say, it's great to see a lot of old friends and make new ones.
It's just brilliant.